Hi guys, and welcome back to the Tiki Bar. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Vince, and this is Tiki Bar. Today we are making Classic Palomas.
Yeah. Cuando dice que me quieres, no sé, que estás con otras mujeres, no sé. Ese nudo en la garganta me acompaña. Yo no soy boba y ya sé que me engañas. Estás loco llamándome. Rompí el cel para no contestarte. Mientras hay otra en tu cama, nunca pude imaginarme que era así estar con vos. Merecí la lección. Ahora ya no quiero piscar todo cuerpo.
I hope this video guide will help you on picking the perfect Paloma for your day. So, we're all going to be doing the classics today. You're not going to need no shakers. Put your shakers away. No strainers. Or pillars at all. Your choice if you need a pillar, but no. Just put it to the side. Starting up, getting your first cocktail. Get the glass of your choice, a Collins or a highball. I'm using a highball. You're gonna have a lime wheel as garnish and a salt brim. Starting off, get your tequila blanco of choice. 2 ounces of blanco tequila. Make sure it's 100% agave. The Paloma was first discovered in Mexico in 1950 during the summer, and it has become popular in the US ever since. 2 ounces of blanco tequila, make sure it's 100% agave. Half ounce lime juice. Firstly squeeze. Half ounce of lime juice. And your grapefruit soda of choice. First up, get a scoop of ice. Scoop of ice. And your grapefruit soda of choice. Top off. And slowly put your bar spoon inside. Either stir, I usually swizzle. I swizzle from the bottom to the top, slowly, not harming the salt at all. And voila. I give you the Classic Paloma. I give you the Classic Paloma. Coming up next, the Authentic Paloma. To start with the Authentic, you're gonna need another highball glass. Collins or highball? Of course. We'll be using a highball. Tiki style. Grab your scoop up and fill it up with ice. If you have crushed ice, that'll be great. If not, regular ice will do nicely. 2 ounces of blanco tequila. Two ounces of blanco tequila. That looks so good. A splash of lime juice, freshly squeezed. 1 splash. And top off with grapefruit soda of your choice. Look at that. Looks so good. Grab some ice for the top. Top it off with a little bit of ice. And for garnish, You're gonna need a lamb wedge. Get a lime wedge. One lime wedge. And then pick salt of your choice. Margarita salt, regular salt, whatever salt you have in your household. So you're gonna need a pinch of salt. And then grab your bar spoon and do a stir. In this case, I do a swizzle. Slowly swizzle from the bottom up. And voila! I give you the authentic Paloma. I give you the authentic Paloma. Coming up next, Paloma Excellia. Starting off, grab another highball of your choice. Pick your highball of choice, fill it up with ice. Fill your highball with ice. Start off, 1.5 ounces of Blanco Tequila. One and a half ounces of Blanco Tequila. Half ounce lime juice, freshly squeezed. Half ounce lime juice, freshly squeezed. Fill your highball with ice. Fill your highball with ice. And top off with your choice of grapefruit soda. And top off with your choice of grapefruit soda. Top it to the top. And one more scoop of ice. Only a little bit to the top. Top it off a little bit. Top it off a little bit. Then garnish lime wedge. Get your lime wedge. Good size lime wedge. Put it on top. And usually get a straw, but that's it. I give you Paloma Excellia. I give you the Paloma Excellia. Coming up next, La Paloma Suprema. Now, grab your highball of choice. Fill it up with ice. fill it with ice. 1.5 ounces of tequila. This one is different from the other Palomas because there is no lime juice at all. I know, right? You're probably thinking, no lime juice? What? 1.5 ounces of tequila. And top off with your grapefruit soda choice. When I first heard this recipe, I'm all like, really? A Paloma with no lime juice? I still can't believe it, you know? So, grab a lime wedge of your choice. Put it on the side. Grab your bar spoon. Do a little stir. Or stir from the bottom up. Swizzle. Voila. I give you a La Paloma Suprema. There you have it, a La Paloma Suprema. I know, it's simple. Tequila and grapefruit soda. It's refreshing still for the summer. There you have it, guys. I give you the Classic Paloma Cocktails. I hope this tutorial on the video guide will help you pick the perfect Paloma. Either way, my personal favorite is the Classic. You might like the Authentic Paloma or the Paloma Excellia. This is interesting though. A Paloma with no lime juice at all. I give you the Paloma, La Paloma Suprema. Either way, try them all, tell the difference, and then enjoy your summer. There you have it, guys. I give you the Classic Paloma Cocktails. I hope this tutorial video guide helped you on picking the perfect Paloma cocktail. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell notification button so you know when the next video comes. Who knows? Maybe more tequila? Have a good day. Your choice if you need a pill, but no, just put it to the side.
Yeah. Cuando dice que me quieres, no sé, que estás con otras mujeres, lo sé. Ese nudo en la garganta me acompaña. Yo no soy boba y ya sé que me engañas. Estás loco llamándome. Rompió el cel para no contestarte, mientras hay otra en tu cama.